Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my story. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome my Chuba Ik Ik vlog. And welcome everything, but you're not welcome to my life because I am not single. Do you know me already? Yes, you don't. Well,
It's jolly, you know?